Hey y'all, so what's up? Okay. Hey friend, so check this out, right? I found this really cool thing in Texas and I want to share it with y'all. So in this bag, I have $37 worth of hygiene and like beauty products, right? Some of them I've used before, some of them I haven't. So this place is called QuickLotz. They have one in Arlington, Texas and one in Hurst, Texas. It was a hike, but a part of my job is I don't have to like clock in and out, so I did it during during work technically. I was out working though. I was trying to find people to put in the army. So yeah, this bag was like $37 worth of stuff, right? And some of the stuff, it costs more in the store. And this place, to my understanding, they pretty much buy stuff from, so you know when you go to Walmart, Target, or even Amazon, they were like clearance aisle, last chance items. So this place sells those items. I guess they buy them during liquidation sales and then they have it there. They had everything from like air fryers, furniture, some really cute furniture too. They had all that stuff there and you can get it like on sale. And so I'm gonna share with you guys stuff that I got for there. So some of the items were like 2 for $5. So for example, this bag, I'm ripping a hole in it because I tied the knot too tight, right? So these were 2 for $5. Y'all see this? They were originally at Target for $5.79. Ew, that's gross. This is like edge control, my edge control that I had because I came home, I put my hair up like that, right? So these were originally oh, actually it's $9.80. Oh, I need to wear my glasses. These were $9.85. You see that? So it's $9.85 a piece, but at this place I got 2 for $5. And they've never been used. They were on the clearance. It smells good. I actually like this brand a lot, but I refuse to pay $16 for it because it's really $16 when you buy it like straight off the shelf, not on clearance. I refuse to pay $16 for this. So yeah, these two are Strength Me Moisture Mask. Condition, moisturize, strengthen, protect your natural hair under there. Needs all the love it can get to thrive while under a wig or weave. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, bet I need this because I'm about to put my hair in braids for a thing. But yeah, I'm about to put my hair in braids. So the instructions say, this is deep conditioning moisture infused mask formulated with a natural protein to strengthen hair after weeks under a protective style. Oh, so you do this afterwards. Rinse hair with warm water, lather, massage the detox tea cleanser into scalp, rinse well. Apply strengthen me moisture mask conditioner to wet hair. Detangle by section, allow to sit in hair for 15 minutes, 30 minutes with heat for deep conditioning. Okay, so yeah. So pretty much I got me 2 deep conditioners for $5. And we loves us a deal. The other thing is wax warmers. I use these at my job. So I think these were also 2 for $5. Hold on. So I got this one. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think these were 2 for $5. Some of them, when the girl was ringing me up, she would like put some items like 3 for $5, whatever. But these definitely came from Target. If you're someone who shops at Target, you know what the style looks like. I'm pretty sure these came from Target. And baby, I'm not paying that much. I'm sorry. I'm not. So I got these on sale. I like putting these at my office because it gives the office a different type of vibe, especially when people are coming and talking to recruiters. They sometimes feel like, oh, you're gonna be scary or tense. But this gives the office a different vibe, right? Oops. The other thing I got was, as soon as I saw these, oh, I definitely grabbed 2. So I got these also for 2 for $5. They were on Target clearance for $6.29, but I got 2 of these for $5. This is, even if I'm not putting my hair in braids, I use this as my leave-in conditioner. I love, 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 love Bandit. I love this brand. I don't want to pay $16 for something I'm gonna put in my hair. I'm sorry. For those of you who do that, power to you. But for me and my household, we are not doing that. The other thing I got by that company, oops, was the oil. Same thing. I love this hair oil. I got it 2 for $5 with the shampoo. So this is the detox tea that hair mask was talking about. So this one is $6.29 at the Target clearance, and this one is $6.84 at the Target clearance. I got these two together for $5. Yeah, I know, winning. And then of course this candle was $5. And it smells really good. I'm not sure what, oh, this came from, oh shit, I just dropped a candle. Oh, this is like real essential oil. Like this candle legit just slid out. Okay, it was $5. Now it makes sense as to why. So how am I supposed to put this back in here? Y'all, okay, so this one was not a good steal or find. Technically, I guess it's my fault because I held the candle upside down. But, oh, I'm kind of sad. So what do I do? Like, I pretty much just melt this and then pour it back in. All right, so this is about to become some wax warmers because I messed that up. But yeah, I got this candle. It smells really good. I'm very upset. I guess what? I melt it and then pull the wick back out. I don't know. So I got the candle. No sucks. This is the other candle. This one I'm not gonna hold it upside down. I got this one also for $5. I'm really upset about this candle. I think I'm just gonna buy it a wick and stick in there. Okay, so yeah, those two, these each were $5 a piece. Then I saw this Deep Cleanse Stringent Clarifying Refines Pores and Cools. So these two were also 2 for $5, and I did not want to pass it up. I've never used this product before. Can you see it? Something like that. I've never used this product before, but I do want to start like using toner because if you see, I do have blemishes. Hi. So so I was like, let me get this. So I got these two for $5. I'm pretty sure she did something else because there ain't no way that's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so some of the stuff wasn't 2 for $5. I think she did something else. I don't know. These also, I saw these, so I do, because you know I shave, I do get ingrown hair sometimes. I'm being honest, okay? Like I even do the whole thing that the people be on here, like on the kitty YouTube channel, like do this for your cat. I even use the beard stuff that men use, and I still get ingrown hairs. I think maybe it could be my uniform. I don't know. I still get ingrown hairs, okay? So I saw these and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. It's a Bikini Bump Blaster Ingrown Hair and Bikini Bump Eliminator with witch hazel and green tea. Dermatologist tested, but that could be a lie. So they're these little thingies. They come like this, you see? Yeah. So I got 2 packets of these. I'm pretty sure, I don't know the formula, but I'm telling you, all this stuff cost me $37. Then of course, mascara, because I needed some and I don't want to pay $8 or $13 for some mascara. So I got this one. The Maybelline New York mascara. I think these were 2 for $3, something like that. And then this one, the Maybelline waterproof, and I like that because for those of y'all who know, we are not supposed to be getting our lashes done in the army. Some girls do it. I don't know why. I'm too scared to, but yeah. So I was like, mascara, check. Yeah, I'm telling all y'all not supposed to be getting y'all's lashes done, but y'all still do. I told, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Exactly, nothing. And then this, ooh, you guys hear that? Listen. Okay. So yeah, that, and of course I got this. This is one of my favorite types of lip gloss. Oh, someone, oh wait, or did I open it? I think I opened it. But yeah, you see, because you can't even see it. So I love wearing this one in uniform because you can't see it. Oh, and then this one. This was probably like the most important item to me. It's like a brush for my dog because Bandit sheds a lot, like a lot on my sweater, on my couch. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You got attitude. He sheds a lot. So when I saw this brush, because his other one, I broke it. Ow. I broke it. But this one, baby boy about to be getting... I like brushing him outside because I don't like the hair in the house. And then it also came with this. I guess this is what... It came with this. Is this the comb that I used to... Like, what do I do with this one? Instructions. All I want self-clean brush for long, medium, short. Grooms, massages, healthy coat. Use for self-cleaning. No more stop here. Softly click the button. Oh, it says if I click this. Oh, it cleans it. Look. Bandit, come here. Let's test this out. Oh, I guess this is, what is this, a flea tick?